I've been dropping things off at the local thrift shop, and they gave me this drill. The reverse doesn't work. It's broken. And so is my sock. It's a Porter cable, and it's made in USA. Their sticker says proudly made in USA. So what's happening is the reverse isn't working. Forward's going fine. Me, I don't make mistakes, so I don't really need the reverse, but if I lend it out, so when I hit the trigger also sticks. Take a look, see it? So I'm going to pop the cap off. Give me just a few minutes to get in there, and I'll tell you the story. The season's over, so people are throwing everything out. Chainsaw, Echo straight shaft, another Toro gas can. Should we take anything? I think I might go for the chainsaw and this thing. Lawnmowers, I don't know if they're going to be selling much in this area. People are buying the electric. Craftsman. There's a name that we know. Share the rest with someone else. So the cap comes right off without any effort whatsoever. It's a tooth washer and one Phillips. And then over here, it's just a couple of contacts. Let me clean them up, see what happens next. So I just cleaned the contacts. None of this looks very worn down. I think a little grime and dirt got under it. Let's give it a try. So far, so good. Less than 24 hours later, it runs like a champ. It needed new fuel lines. So I went by my friend's shop, and I was digging around for the fuel lines, and one of the guys came up and said, "Here, let me get that for you." And I said, "Oh, you don't have to do that." And he goes, yeah, look, you got to take this handle off, you got to take this screw, this handle assembly comes apart so you can route the hoses. And I said, "Well, I don't want to trouble you." And while we were talking, they put it all together. But here's the really neat thing. One of the counter guys comes by, and he goes, and he laughs, and he goes, "Can you see that?" And I said, "What's that?" "Duration period 50 hours. So look at the middle of your screen right there. Duration period 50 hours. I never knew that they did this. So basically, the manufacturer is saying you can expect 50 hours of use out of this thing. This particular one probably doesn't have much use at all, but it sat so long that the hoses, they just cracked, fell off. Duration period. Wow. I know they put an expiration date on food, and I know they put an expiration date on some beers for marketing, but who knew?